Hey guys, welcome again, Chef City here. Today we're gonna make biscuit joconde. You can use biscuit joconde to make opera cake and so many different cakes. In this video I will go with you step by step to show you how to make this perfect recipe. This is all the ingredients we're gonna need to make biscuit joconde. Let's jump right to it. First thing first, I have to whisk my egg white with 60 grams of sugar. In the second mix, I will mix the eggs and the sugar and the dry ingredients together using the whisk. Then, as soon as my egg white whipped, I will add it to the second mix. Okay guys, enough of talk and I let you enjoy the video. If you like my videos or you find what you're looking for, please hit subscribe button and turn on the notification. Thanks for watching and good luck to all of you.